Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create a login and the sign up form in the React application. So let's get started. As you can see, the sign up component. Inside this, I'm going to add the tag that we have theme provider from the material UI. Let me import this. Let me declare this variable with the data type that is a const. And we have to initialize with the method that is a create theme. As you can see, the import of the create theme and the theme provider that is @MUI/material. Inside this, we have a container tag with the two properties. First, we have component. Second, we have max width. Let me import the container from the material UI. Inside the container, I'm going to add here the tag that is a CSS baseline. Let me import this from the material UI. After the CSS baseline, I'm going to add here the tag for the box with the property SX. Inside this, we have a styling properties that is a margin top, display, flex direction, and the align item. Let me import the box from the material UI. Inside the box, we have the first item that is a avatar. Let me import the avatar. Inside this, we have a icon that is a log outline. After the avatar, we have a tag that is a Here we have a caption, sign up. After the typographic tag, we have a box tag where we have different inputs like email and the password. After this, we have a button to submit the form with the caption, sign up. As you can see the box, inside this, we have a grid tag with the property container and the spacing. Inside this, we have another grid with the text field, email, second grid with the input that is a password. After this, we have a button with the caption, sign up. After the button, we have a grid with the link that is already have an account, sign in. Let me import here typography. After this, I'm going to add the import for the log outline icon. As you can see the import, link is not defined. Let me import this. As you can see the sign up form. Now I'm going to create a form for the login. So let me copy these imports. After this, I'm going to copy the HTML code. Let me add inside the return statement. Now I'm going to update the caption of the form that is a sign in, caption of the button that is a sign in, and let me update the grid section of the link. As you can see the grid where we have a link with the caption, we don't have an account, sign up. Let's navigate to the browser. We're getting the error that is a default theme not defined. Let me check. As you can see, error removed. Now let's navigate to the login page. As you can see, the login form. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.